Join me as I set out to find and visit the coziest hidden gems in London. Can I uncover the best spots before the day ends? London's got a special kind of charm that makes you feel all warm inside. And I'm not just talking about the mulled wine and hot chocolate. Beyond the bustling streets and famous landmarks, there are these incredible hidden gems that offer a cozy escape from the city life. They're like little secret hugs from the city itself. Finding these spots can be a bit of a challenge, I won't lie. Every guidebook and blog seems to point you to the same old tourist traps, and it feels like you're just following the crowd. But trust me, it's worth seeking out these hidden corners. Not only do they offer a more authentic experience, but they're also perfect for a quick escape when the city gets too much. Imagine ducking into a quaint cafe or a snug bookstore and instantly feeling like you're a world away. There's something magical about stumbling upon a place that feels like it's been plucked straight from a storybook. Maybe it's a tiny museum tucked away in a quiet alley, or a garden hidden behind a historic building. These places aren't just spots to visit. They're experiences that make you feel like you're getting to know London in a way that most tourists don't. As I explore London, I've discovered a few of these gems that I just can't wait to share with you. There's this adorable little bookstore in Bloomsbury that's a bibliophile's dream, with shelves that stretch all the way to the ceiling and comfy chairs that invite you to stay a while. One of my favorite hidden gems is a tiny tea room that's been tucked away in a quiet corner of Notting Hill for decades. It's the kind of place where time stands still, the kind of place where you can almost hear the whispers of the past. Another spot that caught my eye is a secret garden in the heart of the city. It's a lush little oasis that's perfect for a quick breather from the hustle and bustle. The moment you step through the gates, you're enveloped in a sense of calm and tranquility. But there's one spot that really stands out to me, and that's a quaint little cafe near Covent Garden. It's got this enchanting atmosphere with soft lighting, plush armchairs, and walls lined with vintage books. The kind of place where you can curl up with a good book and a cup of coffee and just let the world drift by. So that's my journey through London's coziest hidden gems. I hope you've enjoyed exploring them with me, and that you've maybe even discovered a new spot or two to add to your London bucket list. If you've got a favorite cozy spot in London, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you're looking for more travel tips and hidden gems, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I'll catch you in the next one.